A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to my Maths online class. Today we are going to start a new chapter from your maths book, okay? That chapter is chapter 5 about fractions. So all of you open your books, page number 53. See, fractions. What is fraction? A fraction represents an equal part of a whole. This is the definition of a fraction. A fraction represents an equal part of a whole. A fraction can also represent part of a set. A fraction can also represent part of a set. For example, here total number of balls are 8 and out of 8, 5 balls are red in color. Okay, so number of red balls will be shown as, how? We have to write total number of balls as in the below, and we have to write the number of red color ball in the upper side. Okay, so 5 by 8 represents the number of red balls in this set. Okay, so this is fraction. See, there are some types of fractions. Number 1, proper fraction. What is proper fraction? A proper fraction has a numerator less than the denominator. Means in a proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. See this example, 2 by 3. Here 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. 2 is smaller than 3. So this is a proper fraction. Understand? Now see improper fraction. An improper fraction has a numerator greater than the denominator. An improper fraction has a numerator which is greater than the denominator. See example 5 by 4. Here numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, so this is known as improper fraction. Understand? Now see like fractions. A like fraction have the same denominators. Like fractions have same denominator, means the number below are same. Okay, example 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and 3 by 5 are like fractions. Here all denominators are same, so these are known as like fractions. Okay, now see unlike fractions. Unlike fractions have different denominators, means the number below are different. Here see example 4 by 7, 2 by 5, 1 by 3. Here all denominators are different, so these are known as unlike fractions. Okay, now see unit fractions. Unit means 1. Unit fractions have only the digit 1 as the numerator. The fractions, unit fractions have only one digit in the numerator as numerator. Okay, now see equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are the fractions which have the same value even though the numerators and denominators are different. Equivalent fractions have same value even though the numerators and denominators are different. See this example, 1 by 2 and 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions. Why? Because see, the value of 4 by 8 is 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the value of 4 by 8 is also 2, and this is equal to this, similar to this, right? Hence 1 by 2 and 4 by 8 is equivalent to equivalent fractions. Okay, now see mixed fractions. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Mixed fractions are the fractions which have a whole number and a proper fraction. Proper fraction means the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay. See, 2 and 2 by 5. This is a mixed fractions. Okay, understand? Now see, comparing and ordering fractions. How to compare fractions? Comparing like fractions. When the denominators are same, we can compare the numerators easily. If the denominators are same, then we can compare the fractions easily, which is greater or which is smaller. Okay, see here 5 by 8 and 3 by 8 is given, which is greater. So 5 by 8 is greater because 5 is greater than 3. This is very easy because the denominator are same. Okay, comparing unlike fractions. When the denominators are different, we compare the fractions in two ways. If the denominators are different, here denominators are different, right? If denominators are different, then we can compare by cross multiplication. The side which has the bigger product has the bigger fractions. See, we are multiplying this denominator with the numerator, okay, and this denominator with this. See which is greater. 6 3s are 18, 4 4s are 16. So this side is greater. Therefore 4 by 6 is less than 3 by 4. Okay, now say we can compare unlike fractions by converting them into like fractions. We can compare unlike fractions by converting them into like fractions. See example, these are unlike fractions, right? Because they have different denominator, so we have to convert them into like fractions. See, converting given fractions into like fractions, we get 5 by 8 is equal to, we did this by taking LCM between 8 and 4. LCM of 8 and 4, see, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the LCM of 8 and 4 or 4 and 8 is 8. LCM 8, right? So here 8 is already present, right? So we are multiplying 8 with 1 because we have to make the denominator 8 because the LCM is 8. Okay, hence here 8 is already present. So if we multiply 8 with 1, then we get the 8, which is the LCM, and the number which we are multiplying with the denominator, we should also multiply that same number with the numerator also. So we are multiplying 1 with this numerator 5. 5 1s are 5. Okay, this is. Now see, 2 by 4, we have to make the denominator equal to the LCM. So here 4 is present, we know 4 2s are 8, so we have multiplying this denominator with 2 to get the LCM. Okay, 8. So 4 2s are 8, and we are multiplying the same number with the numerator 2. 2 2s are 4, hence we get the like fractions, right? Because the denominator is now same in both the two fractions. Okay, so now we can easily compare these two fractions. On comparing the numerators, we find 5 is greater than 4, hence 5 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8. 5 by 8 means this same, and 4 by 8 means 2 by 4. Okay, so like that we can compare the fractions. Understand? So students, it's your today's class. In our next class, we will discuss the exercise 5.1. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.